Stacie Odeneal. I'm from Lawrence County, Tennessee. I live in and practice in Lawrenceburg. I am an attorney of 12 years and have been practicing in the juvenile court system for those 12 years. I'm a certified child law specialist recognized by the state of Tennessee Commission on Continuing Education relative to the legal industry. I am an adoptive parent. I've adopted from foster care. I'm currently a foster parent, fostering 2 children. We anticipate adopting those children in May. I have been the immediate past chair of the Tennessee Bar Association section on children and juvenile law. I am a member of the Tennessee Supreme Court Court Improvement Program relative to juvenile law. I am not here in those capacities today. Today I sit before you as an advocate for the nearly 8,000 foster children that are in foster care in the state of Tennessee. Mr. Kennedy sat before you today. I have the utmost respect for Mr. Kennedy. He's explained to you that Tennessee is a leader in the nation as far as helping children in foster care, addressing adverse childhood experiences, creating opportunities for families to come together when those opportunities didn't exist for these families at birth. It's those children I'm here on behalf of today. I'm here on behalf of the other children who exist in the United States who were adopted by families in Tennessee. I'm here on behalf of the children globally who need to have families and stability in their lives as well. On behalf of all of those children, I'm here to tell you that this bill is bad for 3 reasons. 1, it's bad for kids. 2, it's bad for business. And 3, it creates a problem. It creates a solution for a problem that doesn't exist right now. The representative is correct. There are about 10 states that have passed similar legislation. One of those states, Philadelphia is in a state that hasn't passed the legislation statewide, but Philadelphia is currently embroiled in federal litigation regarding this exact situation. A faith-based placement agency took a contract with the foster care agency in Philadelphia. The foster care agency had an anti-discrimination clause pursuant to law. That faith-based agency continued to abide by strongly held religious beliefs and then lost their contract. And now they're suing. Currently, that's on appeal in the Third Circuit. Currently, the federal courts are upholding that that's a violation of the Establishment Clause. It's bad for kids because it eliminates options. Right now, we have about 8,000 children in foster care. About half of those don't have stable homes. This year, there's federal law that's come down that's attached to federal dollars that requires Tennessee and other states to try and figure out ways to avoid congregate care, meaning we can't just put foster kids without a home because they're 17 and they're a male, or because they're 16 and they've committed a felony, or because they're about to age out of the system into a group home, or in some circumstances in our more rural areas, into detention facilities as essentially a holding plan until we're able to find somewhere for them to go. Federal law mandates that we stop that we try and find ways to avoid congregate care. This bill eliminates options that are available. The representative's correct. In 2016, federal government tracks Tennessee.
Odeneal, you have 1 minute left.
Oh, thank you. The federal government has tracked Tennessee adoptions at 81.1%. Of those are foster care adoptions, which leaves less than 20% private adoptions. When we allow people to discriminate, when we tell them you're welcome here to do business, but you're not welcome here to have a family, when we tell children you don't deserve a home, we're hurting them. This does nothing but protect business interests. What we need to do is protect children. We need to give them all the opportunities. The Tennessee Baptist Children's Home has homes now. They figured out a loophole by essentially volunteering their services to the state. In that situation, they're making it. They're just not eligible for federal dollars or state dollars. This bill would allow those contracts to occur, which would invite the litigation, which would eliminate possible placements for children, which would hurt businesses in Tennessee. And for that reason, I'm asking you to table this bill indefinitely. Thank you.